Hello?
Hey, hey!
Hey, thanks for, talking to me about stuff.
Dude, literally anytime.
So, I'm super excited about this theater party, but I'm also, pretty nervous.
Well, what's making you nervous?
I guess I just don't know what it'll be like.
Well, you'll find out when you get there.
I mean, what if I get there and everyone is playing some card game that I don't know the rules to and they all think I'm uncool? Or what if they play songs I don't know and everyone is singing along but I don't know any of the words?
You're going into a new situation, so it totally makes sense that you'd be kinda nervous. But I'm down to keep talking, and hopefully I can help a bit.
Thanks, Rhubarb. Yeah, I think just talking stuff out will make me feel better. Like, what if I get there and everyone is playing some card game that I don't know the rules to and they all think I'm uncool? Or what if they play songs I don't know and everyone is singing along but I don't know any of the words?
Those things could happen, but nobody will think less of you for not knowing song lyrics. Unless they're Miss Swan, in which case, they absolutely will.
Yeah, choir teachers tend to be like that. But seriously, I think the biggest thing is just that I don't know if there's gonna be alcohol there, and dealing with that whole thing. Like, I know not all parties have alcohol, most don't, but what if this one does? I haven't hung out with them outside school before, and I, don't know what they're into. Like, I've never tried it before, and I don't really know if, I want to or not. I guess I'm just not sure how I feel about it. Like, it's a little scary, but also, maybe it could be fun?